Hello, Williams readers. I have another box of new books that I would like to share with you. So I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. The first one, I'm so excited. We have finally gotten Keeper of the Lost Cities, book 9, um, Stellar Loon. So, Stellar Loon, if you've been waiting on that one, we've got it. We also have a couple of Wings of Fire. We got The Dangerous Gift. And then I also have The Poison Jungle, which is only book 13, but I think we needed to get that one. So we've got 13 and 14 now for Wings of Fire. And we got number 6 of the Wings of Fire graphic novels. So Moon Rising, we've got that one now. Also, drumroll, finally, I've got 3 copies of the latest Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Diaper Overload. So if you have been waiting for the latest Diary of the Wimpy Kid, it came out a while ago, but it was back ordered, so we finally got it. I've also replaced our 1, 2, and 3 of Naruto. That one got lost, so we've got it back again if you wanted to read that. Also, I survived the attacks of um, September 11th. Got that one. Knew I survived. And 2 more babysitter clubs. Logan Likes Marianne and Jesse's Secret Language. Okay, so lots of fun reads. I'm going to get these uploaded into the system, and hopefully you guys could check them out this afternoon if you want to take them home for the winter intercession. All right, thanks. Bye.